Good morning, students. Welcome back to your Max online class. I hope you're safe, also doing great. So, we are doing Unit 1 Relation and Functions. Am I right? So, today we can just recall the previous class portion after we can go to our portion. So, you have learned complement of a set that is given in that picture. Just you remember what is complement of a set. Also, you have learned A union B. Union means altogether you have to collect all the elements from this both set. You have learned this A intersection B. Then A intersection B meaning is you can collect only the common elements from the both set. Also, difference of a set. So A minus B, what is A minus B and B minus A? A minus B meaning is you can remove the B elements from A set. B minus A meaning is you can remove A elements from B set. Okay. Example 1.5. If A equal to set of all 6, 7, 8, 9 and B equal to set of all 8, 10, 12. You have to find out A symmetric difference B. So you have to read this as symmetric difference. Symmetric difference. So actually the formula for symmetric difference is we have A symmetric difference B equal to A minus B union B minus A. This is the formula, okay. It is given in the book above this exercise 1.5. So this is the formula, you have to know this. So to find A symmetric difference B, we have to know what is A minus B. Also we have to know what is B minus A. So for that, you can write. So before that given, you can write here given A equal to set of all 6, 7, 8, 9. Then B equal to set of all 8, 10, 12. Okay, so first we can find out A minus B. So A minus B equal to, first write A set 6, 7, 8, 9. Then minus, write B set, that is 8, 10, 12. So your aim is to remove B elements from the set A. So check, is here any B elements? Yes, only one B element, that is 8. So just we have to remove 8 and write the remaining element 6, 7, 9. So this is A minus B. So next we can find out B minus A. So B minus A equal to set of all, write B set 8, 10, 12 minus, next write A set 6, 7, 8, 9. So here what you have to do, here you have to remove A from the set B. You have to remove A from the set B. So element, find the element. So only common element is 8. This is the only A element. Just remove 8 and write the remaining elements. That is 10 and 12. Okay. So now we found this A minus B and B minus A. Next we can apply in this formula. Clear? So, A symmetric difference B equal to C A minus B union B minus A. First we can write A minus B. It is A minus B. 6, 7, 9. Then minus, union 10 and 12. Okay. Just do the union. Union meaning is you should write all the elements from the both set. So 6, 7, 9, then 10 and 12. Okay, this is your answer. See the example 1.6. Represent A symmetric difference B through Venn diagram. So we are going to represent this in Venn diagram. Before that we have to know what is the formula. Just now I explained the formula for find out the symmetric difference. So we have A symmetric difference B equal to A minus B union B minus A. So if you know that, first we can denote A minus B, next we can denote B minus A, finally we can do that together. Okay, so this is the Venn diagram for A minus B. If we take this is universal set totally, it is A set, it is B set. So how the A minus B will be? So from A set, have to remove all the B elements. So we will get only this element. So it is A minus B. Next one is B minus A. So we can write this as B minus A. It is universal set A, B. So from B set, remove A. So when you remove A, you will get only this B elements. This is B minus A. So last one, A minus B union B minus A. You can write here A minus B union B minus A. So union of these two sets. Union, you know the meaning. Union means you have to collect all the element of these two sets. So in this set, these are the element. This set, these are the shaded part are the elements. So you are going to shade all the shaded part altogether. If it is U, A, B, this set will be shaded part. Clear? Example 1.7. From the given Venn diagram, this is write the elements of 7 parts are there. We can do one by one. Okay. So in this Venn diagram, A set is given, B set is given, also universal set. Okay. First question is write A. So we are going to write A elements. A equal to set of all. Write all the A. This is the set A. So the elements are A, I, U, also E and O. Okay. This E and O common for B also. Next one, we have to write set B. Second one, B equal to set of all. This is set B. Okay. You can write BCEO. BCEO. Okay. Next one is write A minus B. Using this Venn diagram we have to write. So see the Venn diagram. A minus B equal to set of all. So A minus B, where is A minus B? So from the set A, remove all the B elements. So only you will get this part. Because it is also elements of A, but it is also the elements of B. It is common for A and B. We cannot choose it because it is one of the element of B. So we have to remove that. So we will get only the elements A, I, U. The same thing. Next the question is B minus A. Write B minus A. That is equal to, see that. B minus A meaning is from the set B, we should remove all the A elements. So this elements won't come. So only we have to write B elements. B elements are B and C. Clear? So next one, A complement. So I can write here A complement. Fifth one. A complement equal to, so A complement meaning is you should not write A elements. You can write remaining all the elements. Okay, that is known as A complement. Okay. So our elements will be, A should not write, remaining everything. So B, C, G, D. That is A complement except A. We can write remaining all. Same thing, B complement. So except B, you can write remaining all. So this is B. You should not write B. Remaining everything you can write. So A, I, U, which is the A element, D and G. D, G. Okay. The last one is U, universal set. Seventh one. U equal to set of all. So all the elements we have to write in universal set. So set of all A element, B element, also these two elements. So A, I, U, E, O, B, C and D, G. This is universal set. Okay. See students, example 1.18, draw Venn diagram and shade the region representing the following set. So there are three parts, we can do one by one. First one, A complement. Okay, so I took this as universal set U, then this is A set, this is B set. Okay, our question is we have to draw A complement. So what is the meaning of A complement? A complement meaning is we should not take A, we can take remaining all the elements. A and A complement are opposite. If it is A complement meaning is remaining everything except this A. So we can denote, we can shade this as without A. This is A complement. I didn't touch this A. Remaining everything is A complement. See the second one. A minus B the whole complement. For that, first we can do the A minus B. So it will be A minus B. This is set A. This is set B. It is universal set. So how the A minus B will be? So we have to remove B element from A. So we have to remove B element from A. We have to remove this much. So remaining only this part are here. You can shade only this A. There should not be any B element. Okay, this is A. Next we can do A minus B the whole complement. So A minus B the whole complement. So for that, complement means opposite. Here this part shaded. So for this, except this, remaining all the parts you have to shade. So I can take, it is U, A, B. So complement means opposite to the set. So you can shade everything except this A. So A minus B the whole complement will be like this. Next one, A union B the whole bar. For that, first we can draw A union B. It is universal set A, B. Okay, so union means all together A and B. So you can shade everything A and B. So it is A union B. Okay. So next one, complement of A union B. Complement means strictly opposite. So we should not shade this one. Remaining all the parts we can shade. It is A, B, U. You should not shade this part. Remaining all the parts you can shade. So this is A union B the whole complement answer. See exercise 1.3. Using the set symbol, write down the expression of the shaded region in the following. So shaded region is given. So we have to express what is this. Okay. We have to express in symbol. Look at the first one. Y part is shaded but X part is not included. X part is removed from Y. So we can denote this as Y minus X. Just check it from Y. X is removed. Okay. Second one, this part. So you know that this is A X union. So look at this part. It is known as X union Y. So we just leave X union Y, but we choose remaining everything. So it is known as X union Y the whole complement. Okay, we just leave this x union y and we choose this remaining, so we can say that is x union y, the whole complement. So last one, see it is, what is it? Any idea? So it is x set, it is y set. So if you take this alone, we can say this is x minus y. So if you chase this alone, what is it? Y minus x. So we choose the both. So it is union of x minus y and y minus x. Okay. Exercise 1.3 7th question. Let A and B be two overlapping sets and the universal set be U. Okay, so two sets are there. These are overlapping. Overlapping means touching each other. Then U is the universal set. Draw appropriate Venn diagram. We have to draw the Venn diagram for each of the following. So here, first part, second part, third part, and fourth part are homework. Okay, both are simple. This third and fourth are similar to the example problem. Okay, now we can do this fifth, sixth and seventh parts. Okay, A complement union B complement. This is the question, A complement union B complement. So for that, first we can draw the A complement. So it is A complement. So before that, we can name the set. It is universal set. It is set A, set B. Okay, so we are going to draw A complement. So A complement meaning is except A, remaining everything you can choose. So the shaded part will be except A, remaining all the parts. It is A complement. So B complement. Next we can draw the B complement. So B complement is universal set A, B. B complement meaning is except B. It is B except B, remaining everything. So except B, remaining everything means the set will be like this. Okay, it is B complement. Next we can write A union A complement union B complement. So all together. So this one and this one all together. So what will we get? I'll name this as A universal set A B, then union of both set. So union of both set means, so for this set I am drawing first. For this set I am drawing. Union means this also you have to take. So this is the A complement union B complement. Next question is sixth part. What is A complement intersection B complement? So we have A complement and B complement. Next here we can find out the intersection. Intersection means common. See this, what are things are common? Here A is not, but there is A. That's not common. Here the same. B is not here, but here B is not there. Only common thing is outer side. Outer side of so we can draw as universal set A B. So outer side. Okay, then seventh one. Actually, third one is homework. What is the relation between third and fifth? They are asking. Actually, third and fifth are equal. Okay, you can check it after doing the third one. It is third one which is equal to the fifth one union. Okay.